Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Somebody requested for this page. Let's do it. You know yourself. Easy peasy page. The new edition, okay? Page 92, the new edition. So we are still doing tamrinatun ala sukuni. Exercise on the sukun, okay? Now ha and l. Hal. Hal. Ma and n. Man. Man. So if this is n, this is n. Again, don't forget it. هل من in la this is lam and mim, okay? Please don't get confused. I know it's a bit tricky, but this is lam and mim. Lam idh an. So we have hal man in lam idh an. That's how you're supposed to read it faster. Then you have ka and kam mi min. Here man, here min. Man and min. A aw kam law la and wu. Law aw law. Then we have kai kaf and ya kai. So we have kam min aw law kai. Easy peasy. Now let's go to this other one. Kun way. Remember here you did kai and this is way. Qul. This is qaf, okay? If you put a kaf here, it's going to change the meaning. This is qaf. Qul. Qad. Remember, I said whenever we read this page, we need a pencil, right? So put an arrow here. Qad. Also here on this ba, okay? So I'm gonna be the one who is going to tell you where to put the arrows, okay? For now, until the day you reach on some certain topic, okay? Q and d qad, okay? Ha and b habe, qad, habe. Easy peasy. C and r, sir. Kun way, qul, qad, habe, sir. Okay, let's go to these other ones here. Easy peasy. You remember the dal here, it had what? An arrow. So also here we're going to put an arrow. So whenever you see any dal with a sukun, you put an arrow. Look here, we have another dal with a sukun. We are going to put an arrow. Okay, so I'm gonna be the one telling you where to put an arrow. Okay, so whenever you see a dal with a sukun, put an arrow. A ba with a sukun, put an arrow. Okay, so we have u and d, ude. Remember, qad, ude. Ish, bo and a, bo and ain, bo. Remember, bo is heavy. Bo, ba. La and n, lan. Dif. Do and dum. Ude. Ish. Ba. Lan. Dif. Dum. Easy peasy, right? Now let's go to the last line here. A and n, an. Si and f, sif. Sa and sah. And here it's a bit tricky. This is a val with a kasri, then a dal with the sukun. Remember, dal with the sukun, we put an arrow, right? Dal with the sukun, we put an arrow. Don't forget about that. Vide, the, vide, val, and dal. Vide. Try to get it properly, okay? Try the and the. They're a bit confusing. Vide, dal, val. Vide, easy peasy. Kul. Remember this one. Qul and kul. Qul means say. Kul means eat. So if you pronounce kaf as a qaf or qaf as a kaf, you're going to change the meaning, right? If you say kul huwallahu ahad, you say eat, Allah is one. Get the qaf properly. Qul, kul. Then we have nam, sleep. Nam means sleep. Nam. Okay. Now let's start from the beginning one more time. Oh, we need to read it. An, sif, sah, vide, kul, nam. Okay. Now this is how you're supposed to read this page. Okay. Are we good? So you're supposed to read like this. Hal, man, in, lam, idh, an, kam, min, aw, am, law, kay, kun, way, qul, qad, hab, sir. Then we have عود, عش, ضع, لن, ضف. You see you have صف and ضف. دم, أن. Okay. صف, صه, ذد, كل, nam. Inshallah, ma'asalama. Thank you for watching. See you in the next half.